what happened, but I got double of this as well. Devoted to chili eyeshadow. Am I devoted to chili? I might be devoted to chili, child. Just didn't know it. Or maybe I pushed two. Or maybe I was feeling it, and at the time I wanted one for me and one for my clients. Oh, this is that Prep and Prime lip to get rid of the lines in the lips, smooth them out before you put lipstick or lip gloss on. Because I find that I'm in desperate need of such a thing. I've tried other brands. It just is not. It's not. And so I thought, let me go back home to MAC. When others fail, go home. Go to what you know. And then I got my Ruby Woo, because you already know. Ruby Woo is so stunning. It is that orange with a twist of red, or red with a whole lot of orange, and it's matte, and it is stunning. And whenever you put it on, people are like, what is that on your, what? And it's not new. She just never goes away. I guess this texture though, this is a lip glass. Oh, I take it all back. It's a lip glass, so it's everything I said except it's glossy. So orange red, red orange, but glossy. Oof. 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 The black lip liner. And then, oh, I gotta do some things with that. Okay, so that's my MAC experience. Moving on to the next thing because it's getting a little crowded in my area. So we did that. Forget her. Let's see, more MAC. It was my birthday, so I got a lot of stuff, and I'm very greedy. Very greedy. Let's see. Oh, okay. So remember the Hyper Real situation? I got, oh my God, hallelujah, holla back. I got the serums. I got a mini and a full size. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 of them, y'all. So let me get a close up on it. Me, yeah, baby. Me, my clients, and my close friends gonna be glowing, hunty. 5. Oh, yes. And I put the little cute mini in my to-go makeup carry-on. Okay, so, oh, let's venture over to Sephora. Where is my knife? Oh, I feel so... I gotta pause you, baby. Okay, so Sephora. Where does it say Sephora? Oh, here we go. Sephora. And got my little... And don't worry, I work in surgery also, so I'm nice. My nice skills are good. I could survive. You know what I'm saying? Oh, Danessa Myricks, Yummy Skin, Moisture Repair. Everybody's been talking about it. So it's supposedly the answer to dry skin, to dehydrated skin, and so I'm excited. I can't wait to try it. And I'm low-key obsessed with Makeup Forever brushes. Let's see. Because, oh my God. Ha. Look at her. Look at her. Oh. Oh my God. I don't want to do that. I got Oh my God. These hairs are so beautiful. Wow. Wow. Oh my God. I don't know, foundation it says, but it's so stunning. Oh, you see that? So you can get all up in the I love it. Ah! It's like nails are popping or want to pop. Okay, so we got 2 more Sephora's. Here's a knife. Okay. Okay. Oh, Fenty Beauty. Oh, this is so pretty. Here it is. Fenty. This is, oh, I don't want to take it off. It's so pretty. Will it go back? But it's that incredible butter for your skin. What your name is? It says Butter Drop. And I'm not sure if it's the, no, I'm just gonna, but it's not coming and I don't want to break it. I'll give you this. How about that? That's what it is. I do want to feel it though. Ah. Look at this. I got OCD and this place looks terrible. Delightful. Okay, so let's give it a little. Oh, that's nice. I bet if I just came out the shower. This has no shimmer. It's shimmerless. But, uh-oh. It's uber. Ooh. Hydrating. Oh, shucky now. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh, that could be the Lancome. Because I was, yeah, they're mixing together. And it's delightful. Oh my God, it's like it smells like a damn bakery. With the twist of hey. Okay, so glad about that. That was all in that box. And this is, yep, that's that. Okay, we got one more. And it's also, okay. But you know, they had that VIB. And so I had to do some things. And then I got so many gift certificates for my birthday. I gotta thank my sibling, my bro, my best friend for that fragrance from Lancome. You know who you are. I don't want to say because, you know, I don't want to start no trouble. But thank you for making that dream come true because I was like, can I please have